Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, yes, what you are saying is true. Similarly, there is another devotee, Murari Gupta. This Murari Gupta, he was a physician. He was a Vaidji, Ayurvedic doctor. And he was a very close associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Once when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had some indigestion because of eating food cooked too much in ghee, and too much ghee, if you have, you will have indigestion. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had indigestion because of eating food cooked too much in ghee. And when he had indigestion, he went and approached Murari Gupta, and he asked him, please solve my indigestion. Then Murari Gupta gave him a little water to drink, because drinking water is one cure for indigestion, especially if it is because of ghee or some milk product. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu drank the water from Murari Gupta's house, and then he got cured. Of course, this is the pastime of the Lord. So he was such a great devotee of, associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And this Murari Gupta was also a great devotee of Lord Ramachandra. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu once, again to test Murari Gupta, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu once started telling Murari Gupta, see, Krishna is so wonderful. He's a reservoir of all pleasure. His pastimes are so sweet. His devotees are so sweet. His qualities are unmatched, unparalleled qualities, unlimited qualities Krishna possesses. He is the fountainhead of all incarnations. He is the king of Raja. And all like this, he glorified Krishna and told Murari Gupta, you must also become a devotee of Krishna. Stop worshipping Ramachandra. So Murari Gupta heard, he didn't say anything. Okay, Mahaprabhu is saying he didn't say anything. But every day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started telling Murari Gupta, give up the worshipping Ramachandra and start worshipping Krishna. Finally, one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Murari Gupta, I'm ordering you, you have to stop worshipping Ramachandra and start worshipping Krishna. Murari Gupta said, oh my Lord, you are my Supreme Lord, Supreme Master. If you are ordering, I'll give up. From tomorrow onwards, I'll worship only Krishna. I'll not worship Ramachandra. And he went home, and he also in the night could not sleep. Whole night he was crying that I had to give up. From tomorrow onwards, I cannot worship Ramachandra. Then in the morning when he got up, he said, I cannot bear this. I've decided I'll give up my life. Better is that I die. I cannot give up Ramachandra, and I cannot disobey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Better I die. So he went to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, offered his obeisances, and told Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Mahaprabhu, my head is sold to the lotus feet of Ramachandra. At the same, so I cannot take back my head from Ramachandra's lotus feet. At the same time, I cannot disobey also. So please bless me that right now I die, and with that all my problem will be solved. Please bless me that right now I should drop dead. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced him and said, no, I was just testing you. Your dedication to Ramachandra is exemplary. So please continue worshipping Ramachandra. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu remembered Murari Gupta, and he told Sanatan Goswami, yes, similar to Anupama, Murari Gupta was also so dedicated to Ramachandra, he could not bear even the thought of separation from Ramachandra. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Sei Bhakta Dhanya, Yena Chade Prabhura Charana. That devotee is glorified who never gives up the lotus feet of his Lord. A devotee has some inclination to worship a certain form, certain incarnation of the Supreme Lord Krishna. Some may be a devotee of Narasimha, somebody may be a devotee of Ramachandra, somebody is a devotee of Varahadev, somebody is a devotee of Vishnu, somebody may actually be attached to Krishna himself directly. So, a devotee who is attached to a particular form of the Lord or his incarnations is so attached that he can never give up that worship of that form of the Lord. And so, therefore, such a devotee who is so fixed up in his Ishta Devata, in the worship of the form of Krishna or his incarnation, who is most dear to him, not of Devatas, of one of the forms of Vishnu or Krishna, when a devotee is so fixed up in his devotion to that form that he will never give it up, then that devotee is highly glorified. and say Prabhudanya yena chade nijajana. And the Supreme Lord is also glorified because he will never give up his devotee who is attached like this. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Durdaive yadi sevaka yaya anyatra, because of some misfortune, if that devotee who is very firmly attached to one of the incarnations of the Supreme Lord, due to some misfortune, if he gives up his devotional service and becomes attracted by Maya, yaya anyatra, he goes away from the Supreme Lord, then what happens? That say Thakura Dhanya, that all glorious Supreme Personality of Godhead, Tare Chule Dhari Ane, he will catch him by the hair and he will drag him back. The Supreme Lord will not let him go. Oh, gaya, let him go. What is there? Pona poch poda. I have so many devotees. Why should I worry about you? No. Supreme Lord will not leave. He will catch him by the hair and bring him back. That is why all of us should have Shikha. So that if we leave, Krishna can hold the Shikha and bring him back. Mayavadis don't keep Shikha. So the Lord cannot bring them back. So Vaishnavas always should keep Shikha so that the Lord can catch and bring us back even if we go away. In fact, Srila Prabhupada also said, any of my disciples, if they cannot leave me, if they leave me, I will drag them, I'll hold them by their Shikha and drag them back. So even Prabhupada does not leave us. A devotee, once he has taken shelter of Srila Prabhupada, once he has taken shelter of Mahaprabhu, once he has taken shelter of Krishna, they will not give him up. They will drag him back somehow or the other. That is why Lord Ramachandra also said in the Ramayana, Lord Ramachandra said, Sakrit prapanno yas tavasmiti yachate. Even if a person, Sakrit prapanna, even once, only once, he surrenders to Lord Ramachandra or Krishna, and he says, Tavasmi iti yachate. He says, Tava asmi, I am yours, oh my Lord, I am yours. Like this, if somebody surrenders and even once tells Krishna that, oh Lord, I am yours, Abhayam sarvada tasmai dadami etad vratam mama. Ramachandra says, this is my vrata, this is my vow, that once, even once somebody surrenders unto me and says, I am yours, then Abhayam sarvada tasmai dadami. I will forever protect him. I will never give him up. This is the glory of the Supreme Lord.